Good morning, dear students. Today we will study about the digestion. The chapter is here from tasting to digestion. Good morning. Before going to start this chapter, we will do one activity here. Just close your eyes. I will put something to eat in your mouth. After it, you have to guess the food. Let's start. I hope you can easily find out. These are sweet food items. In this you can see pastries, cakes, fruit juice, ripe fruits and all kind of Indian traditional mithai. They are in sweet food items. Now these are sour food items in which you can see curd, tamarind, all citrus fruit, all citrus juices, pickles, lemons, mocktails, amla, and many other sour things. Now, next is food items bitter in taste, like coffee, bitter gourd, broccoli, methi, cocoa powder, and aloe vera. These all are things come in this category. All food items having salt are called salty food items. All kind of namkeens, soups, khichdi, dal, cooked vegetables, salted butter, snacks, fast foods are in the category of salty food items. So now you can see there are four kinds of food items. You can see in the list there are salty, there are sweet food items, bitter food items and sour food items. You can see all the food items in the list and you can understand how we use in these food items in our daily life. Dear children, we take different kinds of food as you can see in this picture. Do you know how do we get sense of a taste? Of course, the tongue. As you know, there are 5 sense organs in our body. Tongue is one of them. It is primary organ of taste in our digestive system. You can say 1,000 taste buds found on the surface of the tongue. So function of the tongue is to taste the food. Children, as you can see in the picture, there are 4 types of taste buds are found on the tongue. At the front you can see sweet taste buds and the right back of the tongue you can see bitter taste buds and both of the sides of the tongue you can see salty and sour taste buds. With the help of these 4 taste buds we experience different kinds of food taste. So let's start do some activity here again. You have to recognize some food items which can be recognized by their smell. You have not to taste, you have not to see them or you have not to touch them. Only by the smell you have to recognize which item are they. So let's start. Now come to the digestion. Digestion process begins from the mouth. When you take food, it goes to stomach through esophagus and then it goes to small intestine. After small intestine, food goes to large intestine and after that undigested food throw away from the anus. I'll go in detail. Partially digestion process starts from the mouth when food mixed up with saliva and then through the esophagus it goes to stomach. In the stomach, gastric juice or digestive juice break down the food in different nutrients, and when food reaches in small intestine, then it absorbs in the form of micronutrients through the blood, and blood carries all the nutrients to the different parts of the body. So now you can understand digested food absorb in small intestine, and then food goes to a large intestine. There is no digestion takes place in large intestine. Only water absorbs here, and then undigested food goes to the rectum, and through anus it is thrown away outside. So digestion, you can understand, it starts from the mouth and it absorbs in a small intestine, and water absorbs in large intestine, and the undigested food, it is released through the anus. So path of the food first is from mouth to esophagus, then esophagus to stomach, then stomach to small intestine, then small intestine to large intestine, and then large intestine to anus. So this is the human digestion system. You can see in the picture. So this is the picture of human digestive system. How food goes from mouth to esophagus, then from esophagus to stomach, then stomach to small intestine, then small intestine to large intestine, and then large intestine to anus. Right? So this is the how digestion in the human body. Dear children, the word junk refers to something that is extra and useless. Junk means useless. So we should completely avoid junk food because these foods are unhealthy food. They contain high level of sugar or fat and excessive salt. Excessive salt means more than the quantity. All pizzas, burgers, noodles, Coca-Cola, chow mein, all fast food, all type of fried food. These are junk food. Dear children, please don't take these food. These are not good for the body. These food are not healthy. These foods are unhealthy. These are unhealthy foods. They upset our digestion. So, please say no to junk food. Right? Dear children, junk food may be good in taste, but their nutritional value is very less. They may be your favorite food, but these food are very harmful for the body. You should know about harmful effects of junk food. Harmful effects of junk foods are it can cause memory and learning problems. It can cause of weak bones. It increases obesity. It can be cause of heart problems, depressions, dementia, problems in growth and development of brain, and most important is it affects our digestive system. So from today, say goodbye to junk food and say hello to healthy food. Eat well, be well, and live well. So after this, This is the assignments for you. You have to pick the food materials from the bowl and write the name with its taste. Okay?